If you have a marketing agency, are a part of one, or are trying to start one on your own, you know that offering high-quality marketing solutions to businesses is no cakewalk. Things are only as challenging if you have the tools or the relevant expertise in your enterprise. For many businesses, the reason they don't provide new services or can't develop their business is that they need the tools or skills necessary. And they don't obtain those soon because they can't afford them, or they want to avoid dealing with the burden of creating and managing employees. But what if there was a tool that could solve this? In this video, I'll review this comprehensive software and explain its features, drawbacks, and costs in detail. Vendasta provides an all-in-one platform for companies selling to online businesses. They're a Canada-based enterprise that offers multiple marketing-focused tools to channel partners who serve small and medium-sized businesses. If you're new to Vendasta, this may appear not very easy to you, so let's break it down. What kinds of services does Vendasta provide? The Vendasta platform provides multiple marketing-related solutions, such as Snapshot Report, Vendasta Marketplace, Marketing Automation, Workflow Automation, Project Management, Customer Relationship Management, Digital Marketing Services, SEO Services, Social Media, Creatives, etc. Vendasta aims to provide these services to channel partners to enable them to help promote their local business clients. What is a channel partner? A channel partner is any firm that partners with another company, e.g. Vendasta, to deliver solutions to its clients. Vendasta's channel partners include marketing agencies, broadcasting and media companies, publishing firms, banks, telecommunications providers. What exactly is a white label product or service? A white label product or service is any product or service one company offers and sells to another company, the buyer. The buyer then rebrands and resells these items and services. In the instance of Vendasta, it delivers these sorts of solutions to various channel partners. These items are known as white label, since the providers sell them unbranded. The channel partners that buy white label solutions are the ones that slap their branding on whatever product or service they acquire. The Vendasta brand doesn't appear on any of the services you obtain. You are free to alter the logo to meet your organization's needs. At its most basic, the flow of business at Vendasta and most white label solution providers looks like this. Vendasta delivers white label services to a channel partner. The channel partner adds its branding and resells these services. Prospects, such as local companies, acquire these services via the channel partner. Here's an overly simplified example. A white label solutions vendor provides peanut butter in basic unmarked glass jars. You are then free to label these peanut butter jars and sell them to your consumers with your logo and branding. White label service providers such as Vendasta work behind the scenes. When you buy these items or services, your clients won't realize you're working with Vendastas, since you are selling the benefits as your own. Who is Vendasta best for? Vendasta is ideal for enterprises that provide marketing services to local businesses, such as small and medium companies, SMBs. Trust these groups to assist them in enhancing their business in terms of their internet visibility and ROI. I suggest Vendasta, especially if your group helps companies in your neighborhood. Vendasta doesn't cater directly to SMBs, it can only assist you in helping them. Although Vendasta includes pricing plans for individuals, a 1-member seat, and small agencies, 5-member centers, some may find the charges a bit hefty. If you're a member of a smaller organization, consider exploring other options before making a decision. Is Vendasta worth it for individuals and small agency owners? That depends on what you are searching for. If you can maximize Vendasta's feature set, then go for it. On the other hand, if you want listing management or reputation management, then exploring other choices is advisable. Vendasta considers the firm an all-in-one solution that delivers numerous high-quality services to empower its channel partners. Vendasta's best features. There are numerous Vendasta services, but here are what I think the greatest ones are. Snapshot Reports. Vendasta can provide a solution that gives you essential information about your client's digital marketing effectiveness. With Snapshot Reports, you may automate your study and obtain insights on the following. Marketing opportunities. You may acquire information on your client's digital marketing performance and discover development opportunities. You may utilize Snapshot Reports to gain extensive evaluations of your client's success on every channel, including email, social media, and SEO. When you know what your clients need to do to improve, It's easier for you to design tailored plans for them and persuade them to obtain your services. For example, you use this tool to establish that your client's email marketing performance is poor. You may then design a tailor-made approach for your customer. With such a plan, you can portray your corporation as one that can give the best answer to local companies and other potential clients. Competitor analysis. Get a thorough overview of your client's performance relative to their immediate competition. You can even acquire statistics on how they're doing relative to their industry. Combine competition analysis data with marketing performance data. In this manner, you can demonstrate to your prospects which channels they're using better than the competition and which channels they're behind. Doing so will allow you to deliver relevant information to your clients, help them create quantifiable objectives, and give them a competitive edge. Customizable widget. You may include a widget on your website so that clients can request an automatic report on the fly. With this widget, you no longer have to spend so much time manually addressing inquiries. You are free to personalize the widget. Add your branding to the device to make it appear like an organic element of your website. You may also include an automatic mechanism on the widget so that it adds any new prospects that enter their details to your email list. Marketing automation. Vendasta technology can automate practically every marketing operation. Vendasta's automation will make it much easier to attract new consumers, whether you're a marketing agency owner, a media firm, or a publishing company. Save yourself tons of time by taking advantage of Vendasta's platform. You may construct pre-made campaigns that bring out your prospects' difficulties in seconds. Forge stronger relationships by customizing your pre-made campaigns and delivering your clients' tailor-made content. You can accomplish all this in just a few clicks. Instead of spending hours, you need minutes to develop personalized content that will make any local company feel like you reached out to them personally. Reputation management. Today's internet age has made online reviews an essential aspect of any business's success. Sometimes it takes only one internet review to make or ruin a business. Vendasta realizes this, which is why they provide reputation management services. Vendasta's white label review management service helps you monitor, manage, and enhance your online reputation on a single platform. Use this function to monitor all consumer comments from over 100 websites. You can also set it up to send email alerts every time you get a new review. For easy browsing, you may filter reviews by source or star rating. By filtering reviews, you may select to look at specific reviews first. For example, you may filter out all the one-star reviews to determine why people gave you such a terrible rating. You may also reply directly to online reviews from Vendasta's dashboard. Need more time to consider feedback responses? Streamline the process using Vendasta's brilliant answer ideas. Organize the online reviews from the dashboard to make it easy to immediately reply to the most critical ones. You may also ask Vendasta's specialist to help you respond to client comments. Remember to acknowledge every review to keep consumers pleased and make them feel appreciated. Digital marketing. Hiring in-house experts costs a lot, but Vendasta's entire suite of marketing services means you don't have to worry about that. Vendasta's marketing services include listings management. This service helps you have your clients listed on as many sites as possible to increase their web exposure. It doesn't matter if you're not experienced with listing management. Vendasta's listing management professionals will accomplish it for you. Digital advertising. Vendasta provides digital advertising professionals that can conduct ad campaigns for your clients on multiple platforms, like Google, Instagram, and YouTube. Vendasta's staff will also give you complete information so that you may update your clients regarding PPC effectiveness. Content marketing. Vendasta offers content professionals that can generate high-quality, SEO-focused website copy and blog entries for your consumers. Vendasta promises that you and your consumers will be delighted with the quality of their material. Social media. Vendasta may handle your clients' social media profiles for you. The Vendasta team can assist your customers in better interacting with their clients. Vendasta may promote your client's business on social media with eye-catching postings. Web design. Web design. You may also utilize Vendasta's Website Pro offering to host your client's website on the Google Cloud platform to ensure website performance and security. Vendasta support. Vendasta helps channel partners use their platform by giving thorough assistance in numerous areas, such as onboarding, resources to assist newbies in gaining a grip on the basics of Vendasta training, a collection of training courses and videos that will help transform you into a digital marketing expert. Vendasta Partner Center, resources to assist you in understanding how to manage your accounts in Vendasta's numerous products. Billing and payments. This topic teaches you how to issue invoices and accept payments using Vendasta. Sales and marketing tools. Access resources for Vendasta's marketing tools like Calendar Hero. Vendasta provides an automated chatbot that allows you to talk to a live support representative if you can't find what you're searching for on the Resource Center. Vendasta Pricing. Vendasta features a tier-based pricing scheme consisting of the following tiers. Individual. As the name implies, this tier is for one Vendasta user alone. This tier costs $119 monthly for a 12-month commitment if you desire monthly payments. If you choose yearly billing, the price is $1,188 per year or $99 monthly. Onboarding is not possible for this tier. Team. This is Vendasta's most popular tier. It's for a maximum of 5 people. This tier costs $579 monthly for a 12-month commitment if you desire monthly payments. There's also a $749 onboarding cost. If you want yearly billing, the price is $5,988 per year or $499 monthly. The onboarding cost is eliminated if you want to get paid annually. Discounts are also available for the 2-year and 3-year programs. Advance. The Advanced tier is for a maximum of 50 Vendasta users. This tier costs $1,159 monthly for a 12-month commitment if you desire monthly payments. There's also a $1,499 onboarding cost. If you want yearly billing, the price is $11,988 per year or $999 monthly. Vendasta waives the onboarding charge if you wish to get invoiced yearly. Discounts are also available for the 2-year and 3-year programs. Custom. If you have more than 50 Vendasta users, you need to contact Vendasta for a special quote. Custom pricing is perfect for enterprise-level users. Free. Vendasta also has a free tier, although it's almost meaningless. Apart from one snapshot weekly report, the free level offers nothing more value. Vendasta. Pros and cons. Here are the positive and negative qualities of Vendasta. Pros. Vendasta offers a comprehensive assortment of tools and services, from marketing automation software to web design services. Signing up for Vendasta allows you to use nearly any marketing service. The platform comprises a partner center, a sales and success center, a business app, and a task manager. Wide range of use cases. Vendasta is suited to more than just one market. Whether you manage an agency consisting of only a handful of individuals or an enterprise-level corporation, Vendasta provides features you will find beneficial, provided you can afford the pricing. Customer support. Vendasta offers various tools to assist you in exploring the site. The firm also offers live chat help. Cons. Pricey. Vendasta may be a tad pricey, even on the low end for specific customers. Even if you were the sole user, you'd still have to pay at least $1,188 yearly, $99 monthly, for Vendasta. Furthermore, signing up implies you are locked into a 12-month commitment. A big learning curve. There are so many Vendasta items. Vendasta isn't the easiest to use. Even with all the materials accessible, mastering Vendasta and realizing its potential might take a substantial amount of time. Onboarding charge. As if Vendasta wasn't costly enough, you'd have to pay an onboarding charge on top of your Vendasta subscription if you choose the monthly payment option and obtain either the Team or Advanced tier. The onboarding charge is unnecessary because other similar platforms don't demand an onboarding fee. Conclusion. Vendasta is a feature-rich platform for any agency aiming to provide local businesses with the best marketing solutions. Vendasta is an attractive solution to allow you to offer all the services you would have imagined being able to give but couldn't due to additional commitment or management. Sign up, select the services you want to provide and begin drop servicing. Although Vendasta offers numerous features and white-labeled services, its pricing may turn off particular newbies or novice customers. However, if you have an agency or know how to obtain traffic on your own, Vendasta will be a tremendous asset to your organization. Some may be turned off by Vendasta's price and complex learning curve. But if you're ready to pay Vendasta's fees and take the time to learn the platform's ins and outs, you'll likely find it highly valuable to you and your clients. If you need more convincing about Vendasta and wish to test it out, don't worry about signing up for the platform's free 14-day trial. I hope you find my Vendasta review helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.